Today is officially Halloween on the high seas. Today is going to be all about trick-or-treating, doing the Halloween stuff. We even dressed up. We're going to Supermarket Sweep. We got matching shirts. Says Supermarket Sweep on the back. And today is Halloween. Now, let's take a closer look. Been noticing things on the ship. They have this painting that will show you literally where everything is. There's the Marvel dining, where we ate last night, Arendelle, and where it is located on the ship. That's so cool. We got the tree here for a moment, so let's look at it. There's all kinds of characters here, mostly seeing Cinderella. I see Lady Tremaine up here, Lucifer. I thought this was Mother Willow. What's her name, Abby? Boo. Hello, Boo. Or hi, Boo. Or Boo. It's good to see you. Yeah, this is cool. I love this. I've been noticing on these windows, they're all villains, and right here is Jack Skellington. I love this. Look at Jack on the high seas. Now in the Walt Disney Theater, they're showing Fantastic Four: First Steps. They have two showings, 5 o'clock and 8:15. So that's pretty cool. They show movies that are literally probably still in theaters in some areas. I was hoping they were going to have popcorn buckets here. And they do. The mayor. It's a sippy cup. Cool. Stopped off at the Bayou, which is a Princess and the Frog themed cafe. I think there's some jazz starting over here.
From the Princess and the Frog, this is almost there.
Yeah, starting off with some music here. Gonna kill some time until we do the Halloween stuff around 6 o'clock. Stopped off at Wishing Star Cafe here. Look who's sitting with us. Chimney. And I'm gonna get the Hocus Matcha. Yeah, let's get that. 2 of those. That sounds pretty good. I love this. Even the napkins here. And Halloween on the high seas. Yeah, we're trying to kill time until 6 o'clock. Because that's when the Halloween stuff really gets started. And this is the Hocus Matcha right there with the strawberry puree on top, foam, iced. Man, I'm excited. And Abby got the Snow White here. Look at that. That's so cool. All right, we got our candy. We put both in one. Pretty cool. Big bag of candy. Let's see if they'll put us on the camera up here. Yeah, we're here for the Mickey's Masquerade Party.
You know, I like you guys. This is the energy I wanted from you all the cruise along. And let me say Happy Halloween!
We're experiencing some and unexpected showers, so we are going to bring the party indoors. That's right, we're going to take it Masquerade indoors in just 3, 4, and 5.
Well, we got soaked. Started raining on us, so they brought it inside. Now we're trying to run in and get our spot again. Oh well, I see power line over here. All right, well, they pulled it off inside. That was pretty cool. And tonight's dinner at the 1923, the year Mickey Mouse was created, Roy Disney. I love this. We're big fans of retro Disney, as you all know, and anything Disney archives, and this is so cool to see. Look at that. Hollywood Hills, hot chocolate, Burbank, blueberry lemon Bavarian cream. And I've got to take a look at this menu. So many different items. I'm so excited. And as you're seated, you're kind of surrounded by some things from the archives. Look at that, some color test. There's the book. Well, probably a recreation of the book from the opening. Some animation cells here. Behind us, all kinds of stuff. Look at that. One thing about the gimbal is it helps me get stuff from behind. Full 360 there. Yeah, how cool is that? So far, this is my favorite theming. I feel like we're in the Brown Derby back home. I love it. The bread tonight is really good. It has a little bit of the olive like sprinkled throughout. I don't really eat olives. I hate olives, but it tastes good. There's a honey butter and a regular butter. You mix them together. All right, this is tortellini, and we both got this chowder here, and then I got the ahi tuna. Love ahi tuna. It's gonna be good. And we went with the pasta. And I went with the filet mignon. Got bacon wrapped asparagus and some potatoes here. Alright, we're going to try this little apple tart they had. This is the Hollywood Hills Sundae. And we got some churros over here. What are these?
They're not actually.
They're Walt Disney churros?
I made a joke because yours, I feel like you ordered yours because of the name, the Hollywood Hills.
Yeah.
Sundae.
You got this because it's the Walt Disney churros?
There's not really the Walt Disney churros, but we'll pretend.
Yeah. There's enough churros here to fill up all the ideas. There's Monstro. And there's the book of Pinocchio. Look at that little reference for Jiminy. And there's Tiana. All kinds of stuff for Tiana here.
Oh.
I know.
It's her dad's medal.
Yeah. Tiana's place. That little cell of Alice, the Cheshire Cat. That's so cool. Man, I love these. Wow. Twinkle, twinkle, little bat. Look at these. Whoa. Animated cells of Alice. Oh, look at that. Ursula and King Triton. And we decided to walk over to the other side, the Walt Disney side. There's some stuff from Tangled here. See Flynn Rider. Peter Pan over here. There's a screen up here that says Boogie Vision. We made it into the Oogie Boogie. What is this called?
Bash.
The Oogie Boogie Bash. Okay, not to be confused with the one at DCA. Oh, here we go.
I wasn't expecting to see so many of you. I didn't realize there were so many of you like me, wanting to become somebody or something else. I'm inspired. I'm Vex, chaser of dreams and nightmares. Let's channel our villainous side.
There's Oogie
I can see the
Boogie.
villains inspire some of you already. Let's summon all those villains out there. I can feel the darkness oozing all around me.
I see him.
Your mind.
I see Oogie.
Are beautiful and bizarre things. Can you feel that? Could it be?
There he comes.
Oogie Boogie, we're here.
There! I hexed you, Vex! Now, don't you feel better?
I feel the opposite of alive.
Uh-oh! I may have overdone it a bit. Now, what to do with all of you? After all, weren't you in on the plan to summon me? Oh, I know. Let's roll the dice to choose your fate.
Oh, here we go.
Snake eyes. Much better. Looks like I've won. But you caught me in a good mood. I just love the fears and frights of all those villains you showed me. So, tonight, we're going to have a villainous nightmare bash. Now, who's ready to boogie with the Boogie Man?
Yeah!
You heard who's ready to boogie with Oogie?
Max, ramp up the boogie vision and turn up the music because it's time to start the party.
Dinner was pretty good. The food was not the best, but the atmosphere was pretty awesome. I will say. To the villains game night. Oh my God! Look at Oogie Boogie.
Welcome.
Have some fun?
Yeah!
Well, first things first. I want to hear your best evil laugh. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Oh, we got some villains here.
Well, looky. It says here that tonight we're welcoming a smorgasbord of nasty and ne'er-do-well. First, if she doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. She's Cruella.
Wow, got some throwbacks.
Isma and Crump. Next, we have two sisters looking for their perfect man, which ain't gonna happen because there's no such thing. Here are Drizella and Anastasia. Ring, ring! Did somebody call for the woman of the house? She's mean. She's ruthless. She's Lady Tremaine. Oh my! No one hits like him. No one spits like him. He's Gaston. Woo! Now, she got invited just so she doesn't go around cursing anyone's babies, as if that's a bad thing. Everyone bow down to the mistress of
So cool.
And here's the last one, folks. Out of the underworld, riding with Zeus, and a guy that's always on fire, Hades!
Yes, darling.
It's so good to see you.
So good to be seen, especially in this outfit. Do you like it?
Oh, it's very nice. Isn't it nice, everyone?
Right. It's divine.
Oh.
You have a question of some kind for me?
Oh, yes, and according to older fashion trends, what color are you not supposed to wear after Labor Day, huh?
That would be white, darling. Unless it was white with black spots.
She's crazy. She's the reason we don't let dogs on board. Her tactics. let's do it. Hey, Hades, how are you doing?
Fantastic, my friend. Thank you for asking. You look just great, by the way. Just top notch.
According to Cruella, but thank you, you too.
Well, I feel like I owe it to the fans to maintain a certain stylistic standard.
He looks great, doesn't he? How about a question?
Lay it on me, baby. That's why you're the best in the biz.
Oh, say more. As one of his tasks, Hercules had to slay
boy.
the high...
Do we really need that little trip down memory lane? Because that was kind of a wash for me, if you remember.
I'm sorry. But do you remember what the Hydra's special ability was, huh?
Oh, you're probably talking about the head thing. Yeah, chop one up, 3 grow back in its place. Pretty gross, yes, but very useful as long as some muscle brain dope doesn't drop a mountain on you.
What a brat. Speaking of brats, Alex, what do you think? But that is a point for the Gruffos! What do you think of that, Skulls?
Boo!
Don't worry, it's your turn next. Ava, where we're gonna go? Crazy, I feel like the answer just came to you from nowhere. Hey, Gaston!
Yes.
You were chosen.
Yes, I know. Chosen to be a gift to all the women of this world.
Feeling game night was fun too. Take a look at the Cinderella topiary style here. Coming back to the room, it's Wally. See Wally? And our Sweet Dreams candy here. Sweet dreams, everybody. Happy Halloween.